Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. We have already started with the 7th lesson, verbs, the perfect continuous tenses. In the previous class we saw about the present perfect continuous. If has or have is coming, then it is going to be in present perfect continuous tense. Has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb, that is present perfect continuous. In that we saw the affirmative form, it is also called as positive form. Negative means I'll be using no, not, never. Interrogative means I'll be using a question mark or I'll be asking a question. That is what we had seen in the previous class. Today we'll be starting with the second part, the past perfect continuous. Past means the things which already have happened, not at this moment. Sometime before already the action has taken place and it has ended. That is called as past tense. Past perfect continuous means some action was taking place before and it was continuing for some time after that interval, between two intervals in the past. Just remember simple thing. It has started in the past and it has already ended between two different timings, two different intervals. See, the definition is given there. The past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about actions that started before a particular time in the past and were in progress till another time or another action happened in the past. I'll just tell you that maybe now 7 o'clock in the morning, it was past for me. Already that time has passed. So one action has started at 7 o'clock and that action finished at 8 o'clock. Both 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock were past for me because right now it is 10. Suppose it is 10 o'clock. So I'll say that 7 and 8 o'clock both were past. So one action started at 7 o'clock, ended at 8 o'clock, and different action started at 8 o'clock. Again different work is going on at 8 o'clock. So the interval between 7 to 8 o'clock, it was past for me. That is past perfect continuous. It focuses on the period of time that an activity continued for till another later point in time or a later activity in the past. I hope it is clear to you all what is past perfect continuous. I gave you already an example. Now again in past perfect continuous I am having three forms: affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form. Affirmative means again it is positive. Negative is nothing but no, never, not. Interrogative means I will ask a question. It can be either positive form or negative form. Now by seeing the sentence, when will I understand that it is past perfect continuous? If the words had been is coming. Had been means already the action is completed in the past. So if had been is coming, then it is going to be past perfect continuous. Plus ing form of the verb, ing form of the action taking place. If has or have is coming, then it is going to be present perfect continuous. Past means had been, that is past perfect continuous. And if I want to talk about the future perfect continuous, then it is going to be will have been. So just by pointing out to these words has, have, had, will be, you will understand whether it is present, past or future perfect continuous. I hope this point is clear to you all, past perfect continuous. And I already explained to you future perfect continuous also. If the words will have will not have comes, will, will comes, then it is going to be future perfect continuous. Just remember this much. Again, in future perfect continuous, I am having three forms: affirmative, negative, interrogative. Again, I am telling you, affirmative means it is going to be positive. I am talking something good. Negative means I will be using will plus not, never, no. That is going to be negative. And interrogative means I will be asking a question. I hope it is clear to you all. They have given you the exercises to solve. Try to solve the exercise. Just see exercise C. It is about past perfect continuous form. We, in the bracket they have given wait. So wait is going to be the verb. I have to use the ing form of the verb. Ing means waiting. Wait will become waiting. Now for past perfect, what I said you to use? Had. So I will be writing we had been waiting for half an hour before our food was served. Now second one, not, it is coming. Just see that not means it is going to be a negative sentence. Not work. Work is the verb. Now when I will add ing, what it will become? Working. Ing. Working. And for past, what I have to use? Had been. So Kamaljit had not been working in the railways ever. Try to solve the remaining, and then exercise D. Rewrite these sentences as directed. In the bracket they have said me to make the first sentence into negative. Negative means what I have to use? Not. My mother had been buying vegetables. So what I will write? My mother had not been buying vegetables from that shop till it closed. Positive. Positive means the sentence which is given is already a negative sentence. Just see there, not is being given. So I have to take out that not and it will become positive. So the answer will be Alex and I had been driving for 2 hours when the tire got punctured. Third one is interrogative. Means I have to make a question. They had been waiting at the station for long. So when I will make it into interrogative and past perfect continuous, then I will be using had been or had they. So I will write, had they been waiting at the station for long? That is the question. Now exercise E. I have to use will have for future perfect continuous. So what will be the answer? I will have been living in this house. Second one, I will not have been going to the park. My mother will have been driving. Solve the remaining exercise. That's the end of this lesson. Thank you.